Yung mirror nila napaka-antique. Very handsome. Yung electric fan, malinis naman. Yung Whirlpool na microwave, it's good naman. So, tingnan natin yung nila, LG refrigerator. Oh, walang laman. Yung water lang. Water. Yun lang, water lang. Water lang ang laman. Yung lababo, yung sink, yung stove, heater. Yun. Ganun lang. And then, yan. Supa. Yung very unique. Unique. Yan. 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 Internet. Aircon. Windows. Then, bed. And then, table. At saka lampshade. So, yan po. Yan lang po. Yan. So, kagising lang natin. Yan ang mukha. Thank you.